a minute.
Drift here, and welcome to another video. Now, as you'll have seen by the intro, this is actually a video showcasing my Fortnite thumbnail packs. So as you can see, I am on my store here. You can get to this in the link in the description. It's store.driftdzn.co.uk, and the link should take you to this one, which is product Fortnite. So this is my editable Fortnite thumbnail pack, and as you can see, we have the options here. And this is the offer that I have been promoting in this video, and as you can see, I have lots of thumbnail packs. I have these three here, and also I have a banner pack available, which I'll show you in a bit, and a Season 4 thumbnail pack, which I'll also show you in a bit. Now, this bundle here, you can get the thumbnail pack V1, V2, V3, Season 4, and the banner pack for only £8. All of those are fully editable. So completely editable thumbnails, and you get them all in one file, which I'll send you within one day. Now, as you can see down here, that includes 58 fully editable thumbnails and 10 fully editable banners. Now, if you use my discount code YouTube, and then you can get 15% off this £8, making it £6.80. Now, £6.80, you're getting 68 editable pieces of graphics. And if I show you these other things, you've got the Season 4 one here, which, as you can see here, includes 10 fully editable here, and that's £2.50 on its own. So you're seeing how, by getting all of it together, it's a very good deal. You can see here there's the fully editable banner pack, and this includes 10 banners, like you can see here. Obviously you saw them in the intro as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to check out my store in the description and get yourself some of these extremely cheap thumbnail packs. I'll leave the link in the description, as I said. Use code YouTube, and yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. See ya.